Also, the difference is because usually they take the salary of the franchisee in that, but we are not taking any salary.